Destination Nur Sultan. Nur Sultan is a modern capital city on the Asil River and an exciting holiday destination. For stunning views of the whole city, don't miss a trip up the Baytarek Tower. From the top, you can see all the way down the Nurjol Boulevard, or marvel at the blue-domed Presidential Palace. Walk around the city and see spectacular fountains and beautiful mosques, such as the Nur Astana Mosque. For an unforgettable day, visit the Khan Shatir Entertainment Centre, which is both a famous landmark and an architectural wonder. This amazing shopping mall looks like a giant tent, and it is full of trendy shops. There is an indoor pool with a sandy beach and palm trees, and there is also an outdoor market with traditional yurts. It's a great place to pick up some unique souvenirs. In the summer, you can swim in the river, go for a relaxing stroll along the banks, or take a boat trip to see the sights. Ice skating is also available year-round, both at shopping malls and outdoors. Nur Sultan has lots to offer all year round. What are your favourite activities? Which places in Nur Sultan would you recommend tourists to visit?